shops that just opened up to replace the ones that recently shut. Summer's over, the leaves are changing. Friday night lights, football season. Looks like Tammy's getting hitched again. It's only been 1 month since she broke up with old what's his name, living in a small town just south of the main route. We got one way and one way out, a few stop signs and a roundabout in a small town just hanging around. A whole lot of nothing but always something going down. Yeah, living in a small town. Yeah, living in a small town. Living in a small town. There's a pancake breakfast at the Rainbow Mall. Help raise some money for Pioneer Park. It's a little worn down and needs some TLC. Corkscrew slide and some brand new swings. Living in a small town just south of the main route. We got one way in and one way out, a few stop signs and a roundabout in a small town just hanging around. A whole lot of nothing but always something going down. Living in a small town. Living in a small town. Where the cost of living is a whole lot lower. The hustle and bustle is a little bit slower. Can't put a price tag on this dirt, 'cause it's heaven on earth. Living in a small town, standing on sacred ground. Well, some try to leave, but when they do, they turn back around. Head back to that small town that's just hanging around. That peaceful, easy feeling going down. It's where I'll be found. Living in a small town. Special. Living in a small town. Living in a small town. Living in a small town. Just to be there to replace the ones that we living in a small town. Yeah, living in a small town. There ain't nothing special going on here. Not much to see year after year. Got a couple new shops that just opened up to replace the ones that recently shut. Summer's over, the leaves are changing. Friday night lights, football season. Looks like Tammy's getting hitched again. It's only been 1 month since she broke up with old what's his name, living in a small town just south of the